Hi guys, welcome to this section where I'll be taking you on your step-by-step guide to attendance tracking on rSheet. I'm Ifeanyi Divine and I'm your head of support. Of course, you know that GSM Technology Solution is committed to improving your experience within rSheet. So on that, this is a step-by-step guide through the process of attendance taking within rSheet. So the first thing you need to do when you want to take attendance is you have to log into your account. If you do not have any account, you might want to consider creating one at gsm.rSheet.com.ng. Of course, we all know that rSheet is a school management system that allows you to automate your results, grade your results, for online view of your results, for attendance tracking, financial tracking, and your robust CBT. So when you are done creating your account, you have to navigate to your attendance tracking add-on and click on it. Under it, we have the student attendance and the attendance report. So when you click on the student attendance, the first thing you need to do is specify your class, your arm, okay, so you need to specify your class, your section, term, and date. Now to do that, you need to click on the class, click on the particular class which you are taking attendance for, click on the arm, the section, the term, and the date. So if you miss any date, you do not need to worry. All you need to do is click on the date and go back to the particular date which you want to take attendance for. So let's say we missed Wednesday and we want to take attendance for Wednesday. So all we need to do is come to this date and click on it, click on Wednesday, and you see that the dates adjust. Then we get our template. Okay, so now there are two ways we can take attendance. The first one is to select all, or we click one after the other. So I can choose to select all here and save. Okay, or I take them one after the other and save. Okay, so we click on the next day, get our template, select, save, select, save. Okay, so let me take for the last day, which is Friday, get our template, click and save. Alright, so one thing I want us to note is that rSheet is very flexible. So when you make a mistake, you do not need to worry. All you need to do is go back to the day which you made the mistake and adjust your error. Okay, so when we come back to this day, we've taken attendance for this day, 2nd of May 2024, but we've noticed that we made an error and want to make some corrections. So when we click on it and get our template, all we need to do is to click on this morning button. When you click on it, the attendance you took for that day appears here. So you make whatever adjustment you want to make. Likewise, on the afternoon, you click on the afternoon and the attendance you took appears. So you make your adjustments and ensure to save. Okay, save. Alright, so that will be all. Now if we want to get our report for the attendance we've taken for term, maybe termly or section, so we click on the attendance report and specify the class we want to check attendance for. Specify the class, the arm, and the term you want to check the attendance for. So you can either view singly or view their broadsheet. So let's view from here. Okay, so this is the attendance we took, and you can see it's over 6. It means one for morning, one for afternoon, which is 2. So a day has 2 mark, and we took attendance for 3 days, which made it 6. So this person came for 6 days, as you can see. And if you want to view more, you can go to the details here to view the particular days which this person made it to school. Okay, so we can also choose to view broadsheet or print out broadsheet in a term. So we'll come here, and the attendance we took for that term appears here, so we can decide to print or download as PDF or Excel. Now, another thing I want us to note is, if you want your attendance to appear on your student results, all you need to do is to come to the admin section, click on the general setting, and activate. Okay, so you look at display student attendance on attendance tracker on the result sheet. So when you click on it, it's already activated here, but for some it's not usually activated. So all you need to do is to activate it, and it will display on your result.